for the triangle PQR, calculate the size of the hypotenuse PQ and the length QR. So again, the first main step is to label the sides of a triangle PQR. So this side will be opposite the angle, so we'll label that one opposite. This is next to the angle, so we'll call this one adjacent. And this is the hypotenuse, the longest side, opposite the right angle, which is called the hypotenuse. So using SOHCAHTOA, I want to find the hypotenuse, and I have the adjacent, so again I'm going to use CAH cosine, write down that cos theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. Now, because the hypotenuse is at the bottom, sometimes it's a good idea to use this little triangle method. So if this is cosine, then this is A and this is H, and therefore if I want to find H, it's going to be A over the cos. So this hypotenuse is going to be adjacent over the cos of the angle. The adjacent side is 6.2 over the cos of 34. Going to my calculator in the calculation mode. Again, make sure first of all you set it up so that it's in degree mode. I need to put in 6.2 divided by, and then the trig function here is here, find the cos, and cos of 34. And then press enter, and I'm going to get 7.47855513, which is there, and again round that off correct to 3 significant figures, 7.48. Right, for part B I need to find the length QR, which is this length here. Now I could, because I got this, use Pythagoras' theorem, but I must make sure if I do it that way that I'm not going to use one which is rounded off. I'm not going to use this method. I'm going to use, I've got opposite, adjacent and the angle, so I'm going to use TO8, tan. So tan theta is going to be opposite over adjacent. Again, I'm going to write this in here. So tan is opposite over adjacent, and I want to find the opposite side, so the opposite side will be adjacent times tangent. So QR, the opposite side, will be equal to the adjacent side, which is 6.2 times tan 34. Going to my calculator and then make sure you're in degree mode, times, it does actually say up here what mode you're in, so that's actually quite useful, times trig tan 34, enter, and we're going to get 4.1819. Okay, and that will round off to 4.18 centimeters, correct to 3 significant figures.